And now another award recognizing exceptional work in the talent arena. Please welcome Nextech President Karen Young. Karen is not new to the Mira stage. In addition to presenting the award for the second year, in 2020 she left with hardware of her own, the Mira Tech Education Award.
Thank you, Dennis, and good evening, everyone. K12 computer science education has grown exponentially in Indiana over the last 10 years. And just this past March, we reached a new pinnacle as Governor Holcomb signed into law a requirement that every Indiana high school student must complete a computer science course before they can graduate. This lofty goal will not be achieved, though, without the dedication and hard work of computer science teachers. The Nextech Computer Science Teacher Award recognizes an outstanding and high-achieving Indiana computer science teacher. I am honored this year to recognize Brian Belch from Decatur Central High School.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I'm going to disagree with the previous person. I have the best job in the world. Teaching these kids has been awesome. But I wouldn't be here today if I didn't have my family to support me and be okay with me being absent to attend PDs and through Nextech and whatnot. My district leaders have made funds available for us to get training. My students are awesome. I couldn't go to work every day without having great kids. And of course, Nextech is the best company in the world. Thank you.